Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. Class nursery. Today we are going to learn how to write F, capital F and small f. And you have to do this work on Al Hira English workbook. Here we have English reading phonics sheet. First we read this phonics sheet and after that we read this ABC. Okay, name of the letter A is A, but the sound of the letter A is A. Name of the letter B is B, but the sound of the letter is B. Name of the letter C is C, but the sound of the letter is C. Name of the letter D is D, but the sound of the letter is D. Name of the letter E is E, but the sound of the letter is E. Name of the letter F is F, but the sound of the letter is F. Name of the letter G is G, but the sound of the letter is G. Name of the letter H is H, but the sound of the letter is H. Name of the letter I is I, but the sound of the letter H. Name of the letter J. Name of the letter I is I, but the sound of the letter I is I. Name of the letter J is J, but the sound of the letter is J. Name of the letter K is K, but the sound of the letter is K. Name of the letter L is L, but the sound of the letter is L. Name of the letter M is M, but the sound of the letter is M. Name of the letter N is N, but the sound of the letter is N. Name of the letter O is O, but the sound of the letter is O. Name of the letter P is P, but the sound of the letter is P. Name of the letter Q is Q, but the sound of the letter Q is Q. Name of the letter R is R, but the sound of the letter R is R. Name of the letter S is S, but the sound of the letter is S. Name of the letter T is T, but the sound of the letter is T. Name of the letter U is U, but the sound of the letter is U. Name of the letter V is V, but the sound of the letter is V. Name of the letter W is W, but the sound of the letter is W. Name of the letter X is X, but the sound of the letter is X. Name of the letter Y is Y, but the sound of the letter is Y. Name of the letter Z is Z, but the sound of the letter is Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, now we learn how to hold a pencil. Put your thumb and forefinger just above the cone and cone-shaped part of the pencil. Put your thumb and the forefinger above the cone-shaped part of the pencil. Number 2, let the pencil rest between your thumb and forefinger. Let the pencil rest between your thumb and the forefinger. Number 3, Then put your middle finger underneath for sport. And in number 3 you can see put your middle finger underneath the for sport. Okay, these two things you don't have to do. Number 1, pressure on the pointing finger and all fingers pulled into a fist. This is not the right way to hold the pencil. So remember students, this is the right way to hold the pencil. Okay, let's learn how to write F. And one more thing, 4-lined copy paper will help you write each letter evenly and uniformly. It will also help to distinguish the difference in size of the uppercase and the lowercase letters. Okay, first you have to draw a straight standing line which starts from the first line till the third line. Draw a sleeping line in the first line. Draw another sleeping line in the middle line to write F. So name of the letter F is F, but the sound of the letter is F4. Okay, now write how to write F. First, make a curl. First you have to draw a straight standing line from first line to third line and make a little curl at the top of the standing line to write F. Name of the letter F is F, but the sound of the letter is F4. F for fish. Now write it again. Draw a straight standing line which starts from the first line till the third line. Now draw a sleeping line which starts from the standing line in the first line and draw another sleeping line in the middle line to write capital F. Now draw a straight standing line and from the top of the standing line make a little curl. Make a little curl to write small f. The sound of the F is F for flower, F for frog, F for foot. Okay, write it again. Draw a straight standing line which starts from the first line until the third line. Draw a sleeping line in the first line which joins the standing line. Draw another sleeping line in the middle lines which also joins the standing line to write capital F. Now we have to write small f. Draw a straight standing line which starts from the first line till the third line and make a little curve and draw a sleeping line at the middle line to write F. Good. Now you know how to write F. Very good students. Okay students, do practice and do this work on your workbook. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.